Lori Andrus.
Hi there. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yes, my name is Lori Andrus, and I am testifying today on behalf of the Consumer Attorneys of California. Thank you also to Public Justice for inviting me to speak in support of SB 1149. For 20 years, I have represented people injured by dangerous pharmaceuticals and flawed medical devices. I represented dozens of women who were implanted with the Essure birth control device. My clients, along with thousands of other women, brought civil lawsuits in California's courts beginning in 2015, and they alleged the following. These devices were marketed to women who had already had a family and were done having children. The devices were billed as safer and less intrusive than having a tubal ligation surgery, which is commonly referred to, of course, as having your tubes tied. The devices consisted of two small metal coils, one to be placed in each fallopian tube. The devices were designed to cause inflammation and to prompt scar tissue to form around the coils in the woman's abdomen, thus blocking sperm from reaching her ovaries. The women who filed suit alleged multiple problems with these devices. The devices could break, they could perforate the fallopian tube, they could migrate around the abdomen, they could puncture and become lodged in nearby organs. They could also result in ectopic pregnancies. An ectopic pregnancy is where the fertilized egg grows outside of the uterus. That can cause the death of the mother. It's a terrible event, and it should be avoided. Terrible pain at the site was another common effect that these women alleged in their lawsuits, and also pain during intercourse. They alleged skin rashes, likely due to the nickel that was a component in the coils. Roughly 5% of the population is allergic to nickel. Many of these women also documented heavy bleeding, some said like a horror movie, and severe cramping in an unusual and abnormal aspect. To remove these devices, my clients and these other women had to undergo partial or total hysterectomies. Many of these women were in their early 30s when they began to experience menopause after these premature hysterectomies. I encourage the committee members to vote yes on SB 1149, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you.
All right, thank you.